We are continuing our series on boosting your metabolism, and everyone wants a faster metabolism. Today, we're going to talk about the most important hormone to do that, and that is your thyroid hormone. Anyone know what this sign is called? What is she missing?
Eyebrow.
The outer third of her eyebrow, that's the eyebrow sign, which means she's got probably some thyroid problems. Thyroid function can increase your metabolic rate by 15% if it's working correctly, and if it's not, it can lower it by 30%. So this is a huge factor in your metabolism. Signs that your thyroid might not be working well include dry skin and hair loss, loss of the outer third of your eyebrow, as we mentioned, low energy, weight gain, and being cold. So any of those things might tip you off. There's some very good lab tests that everyone should have done periodically to see how their thyroid's working. The first is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Now, if thyroid stimulating hormone is high, it means your body's asking for more thyroid. You should also, though, have your T3 and T4 checked. T3 is the active thyroid hormone, and T4 is the inactive one. So we want to know if your body's producing enough T4 and if it's converting it to T3, the active form. There's one more. I don't want to complicate this too much, but reverse T3. So that would be the active form being converted back to the inactive form. All of those tests give you a good idea how your thyroid's functioning. Now, if that's too complicated, how about checking your temperature in the morning before you get out of bed? If it is below 97.2, there's a pretty good chance your thyroid is underactive, you're hypothyroid. So check it for a few days before you get out of bed, first thing in the morning, and see what it's running. Now, people that are low in thyroid frequently need to get prescriptions. And if you do, the most common two used are Synthroid and levothyroxine. They are very highly prescribed. The only problem with that is they're only the inactive form. So what if your body has a hard time converting it to the active form? It may not help as much as it should. A better, more natural way is to use a natural thyroid like WP or Armor, and they have both T3 and T4 in, so it kind of eliminates that conversion problem. So to fix your thyroid, check your temperature and see if it's running low. If it is, you should have a thyroid panel done. Now, frequently when you fix your 7 systems, it will help improve thyroid. And I've even had patients that were able to get off thyroid medication going through the 7 systems plan course, but not always. Low iodine can also be a factor in thyroid dysfunction. So taking a little iodine, and don't overdo it with iodine, but a little bit can be helpful. And if it doesn't respond to these things, then I suggest getting on a natural prescription for thyroid. Optimize your thyroid function to increase your metabolism. Do I give this a thumbs up? Absolutely. You want to do that. In our next video, could your chair be lowering your metabolism? Stay tuned to find out.